Okay, guys, it is Tuesday, April 28th. Today is my son's birthday. I just wanted to go over real quick. We did the choice board last Tuesday. Now we're doing the second part of the choice board. You can click on this in It's Learning. And today we are doing the purple and the blue. Purple is, or pink, whatever color you want to call that. Looks like it's considered pink. Okay, so pink is the optional resources. There's different links on here. There's videos, notes that you can go over, anything that you need to refresh your memory on box and whisker, line plot, and dot plot. I'm sorry, not line plot, dot plot, and stem and leaf plot. Then after you've done whatever you need to do there to make sure that you're up to date on everything with those particular um, topics, there are two different quizzes that you will be doing. There's one right here. So you're just going to click on that. I'm going to put the code in there in just a few minutes, so the code will be there. So you'll click on that link, enter the code that I give you. One is on box and whisker, and one is on dot plot and stem and leaf plot. Those are the two mandatory things. The ones in the blue boxes. And again, the code will be there when you go in and look. Have any questions, please let me know. And then you will have a quiz on this on Thursday. It'll be another Edge Elastic quiz. Have a great day, guys.